Namaste students, I am Dr. Beena Diwan, Director, Faculty of Land Governance from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are safe. So, today's our session is Nature of Muslim Marriage. Nature of Muslim marriage, मतलब Muslim marriage is a civil contract and not a sacrament. So we will critically analyze this statement and discuss the true nature of Muslim marriage. Nature of Muslim marriage, there are divergence of opinion. With regard in nature of Muslim marriage, some jurists are of opinion that it is purely a civil contract, while others say it is a religious sacrament in nature. In case Abdul Qadir versus Sullivan, 1886, Justice Muhammad held marriage among in Muslim is not a sacrament but purely a civil contract. In Suburnisa's case, 1934, Justice Meter, Calcutta High Court, marriage of Muslims is a civil contract and it's like a contract of sale. The wife is the property and dower is a price. While reviewing Abdul Qadir case, Justice Suleiman in Anis Begum's case observed and tried to put a more balanced view by holding it both as a civil contract and religious sacrament. Suvarnisa versus Sabdu Sheikh, 1934, Calcutta, Justice Meter said, marriage under Muslims law, it is civil contract and it's like a contract of sale. Sale is transfer of property for a price. In contract of marriage, the wife is property and dower is price. कि वाइफ जो है उसको तो प्रॉपर्टी माना गया और जो डॉवर है उसको उसकी प्राइस मानी गई इन मुस्लिम्स में. कुल मिलाकर मुस्लिम्स में मैरिज का नेचर जो है वो सिविल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट माना गया. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, अनीस बेगम वर्सेज मोहम्मद इस्तफा. In this case, it may not be out of place to mention that Maulavi collected some authorities showing that marriage is not regarded as a mere civil contract but as a religious sacrament. According to Bailey, जो हम पहले भी पिछले डेक्स उसमें कर चुके हैं कि मैरिज इज फॉर द solace of life. It is therefore lawful in extent old age after cap of offspring has ceased and even to the last or death illness. M.C.J. Jung observed that marriage is a constitution of ibadat, clothed in the legal form of contract regulating sexual intercourse, but the continuous dependent upon the maintenance of conjugal affection. According to Tayabaji, marriage brings about a relationship for intercourse and procreation of children between man and woman. The Prophet of Islam reported that marriage is made sunnah. It those who do not follow the way of life are not my followers. There is no mockery in Islam. साधु संत नहीं होने को कहते थे ये. Therefore, in ultimate analysis, it can be said that the marriage in Islam is neither purely a civil contract nor a sacrament. It is devoid of none but the balancing of two. The Muslim marriage law has similar characteristics as a contract. बहुत सारे इसमें कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है जो बिल्कुल इसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की तरह बनाते हैं. जैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में प्रपोजल होता है, सेम लाइक मैरिज requires proposal from one party and acceptance from other. So, is the contract. Moreover, there can be no marriage without free consent, free coercion, fraud, undue influence. Same in case of contract, right? तो इसीलिए कहते हैं कि जो है यहाँ मैरिज का नेचर कैसा है, सिविल contract. Just as any other contract entered into by a guardian on attaining, so can a marriage contract in Muslim law be set aside by a minor on attaining the age of puberty. Clear? कोई दिक्कत यहाँ तक किसी को भी? Any problem? समझ में आ रहा है क्यों हम इसको कहते हैं कि जो मुस्लिम्स हैं उनमें मैरिज जो होती है उसका नेचर कैसा होता है, सिविल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की तरह होता है. द पार्टीज टू मुस्लिम मैरिज में एंटर इनटू एनी एंटी न्यूट्रल और पोस्ट न्यूट्रल एग्रीमेंट which is enforceable by law provided it is reasonable and non opposed by policy of Islam, same as in contract. जैसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में वो अगेंस्ट द पॉलिसी नहीं होना चाहिए, पब्लिक पॉलिसी के अगेंस्ट में नहीं होना चाहिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, वैसे ही सेम यहाँ पर मैरिज जो है वो इस्लाम के प्रिंसिपल्स के अगेंस्ट में नहीं होनी चाहिए. द टर्म्स ऑफ अ मैरिज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट may also be allowed with legal limits to suits individual cases. In both contract and Muslim marriage, there's also a provision for the breach of marriage contract. Clear? What is the difference between Hindu marriage and Muslim marriage? To clear the picture of Muslim marriage, it is necessary to compare it with Hindu marriage. Write down Hindu marriage, Muslim marriage. Hindu marriage is a sacrament aspect without wife, not religious ceremony or function can be performed. And in Muslim marriage, while Muslim law is a contract, it has no religious aspect. There in Hindu law, there is no consideration for marriage, but in Muslim marriage, here consideration is must from form of meher. In the wife is the property and the meher is the consideration. In Hindu law, bigamy, polygamy is not identified. A man cannot have more than one wife at one time. एक समय में एक से ज़्यादा वाइफ नहीं रख सकता in Hindu law. But in Muslims, a man can have at the time 4 wives. So these are the difference between Hindu marriage and Muslim marriage. So I hope all of you understood what is the difference between Hindu marriage and Muslim marriage. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can ask me, feel freely. Thank you. In Muslim law, a man can have 4 wives at same time. एक समय में वो 4 वाइफ्स रख सकता है, पर मोर देन 4 नहीं होते हैं. मोर देन 4 वाइफ्स नहीं रख सकता है एक समय में. 5 अगर वो मैरिज करता है तो 5th मैरिज जो होती है वो उसकी इरेगुलर होती है. एंड लास्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन हिंदू मैरिज एंड मुस्लिम मैरिज आर डिवोर्स. Divorce is not easy. Divorce can be granted by court only or laid up rules in Hindu marriage. वहाँ पर कोर्ट में जाना पड़ेगा और कोर्ट के द्वारा ही आपको डिवोर्स की प्राप्ति होगी. बट इन मुस्लिम मैरिज डिवोर्स और तलाक इज वेरी इजी. लेकिन मुस्लिम्स जो होती हैं उनमें डिवोर्स और जो तलाक का है वो इजीली मिल जाता है मुस्लिम महिला को. क्लियर? सो गाइस, द टॉपिक इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ आई होप you all have understood the topic nature of Muslim marriage. I will tell you some important question regarding this topic which will beneficial for your examination point of view, examination purpose. Please write down these questions in your notebook. मैं आपको जो क्वेश्चंस बताने जा रही हूँ वो एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है इस टॉपिक के रिगार्डिंग. और अक्सर कर एग्जाम में अगर ये टॉपिक आता है तो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जाएंगे. राइट डाउन. नंबर 1, मैरिज अमंग. राइट डाउन. मैरिज अमंग Muslim is not a sacrament but purely a civil contract. In the light of the above, observation, discuss the nature of Muslim marriage. इसी को और दूसरी तरीके से भी पूछा जा सकता है. मुस्लिम मैरिज is a civil contract and not a sacrament. Critically analyze this statement. Discuss the true nature of Muslim marriage. Write down. And next question. Muslim marriage among Mohammedan is not a sacrament but purely a contract. ये कहा था किसने? जस्टिस मोहम्मद साहब ने. So explain it. Clear? I hope you all have understood this topic. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this topic, you can ask me, you can contact me, feel freely. Is it clear? Thank you. Thank you so much. So, I would like to add that you should also make use of case laws, illustrations, etc. while writing your answer. जब आप अपना आंसर लिख रहे हैं उस वक्त उसके अंदर न्यू केस लॉज भी डालिए, इलस्ट्रेशंस डालिए. अभी आपको पता है कि ट्रिपल तलाक पर बहुत सारे नए केसेज आए हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के डिसीजंस आए हैं, तो आप वो भी उसके अंदर डालिए, तो एक सही आंसर आपका बनेगा. इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, you can send me your answer so that I can check and tell you the change if needed. आप मुझे अपना आंसर भेजिए और मुझे लगेगा कि उसमें कुछ चेंज करने की आवश्यकता है तो श्योर आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड. मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं उसको चेंज कर दूंगी, आपके उसमें आपकी हेल्प करा दूंगी उसके अंदर किस तरीके से आंसर आपको देना है. So, the class is over. Thank you for listening me. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.